Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Most of the students actually and some of the friends also asked me to discuss legally regarding the Amnesia pub incident where a minor was sexually assaulted by five youth, and three of them are minors also. Minors. Okay, it has taken a political turn. Let us not bother about the political turn. Only legal matters, that's all. So friends, you might have seen the film Vakil Saab. You compare the same thing happened. So only important point is, if the girl says no, it is no. If you say no, if the girl says no, it is no. It is not giving consent. You cannot say that she is willing, Are Baba, she has accepted, she has taken my kiss, all these things, they cannot be taken into consideration while the POcso Act is concerned. Definitely, this case will be under Section 8 or Section 6 of the POcso Act. So, Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, it is a very, very tough act. Suppose if the prosecutrix relies or tells the same thing which she has stated before the police in the hospital, the accused are definite to get conviction, because Section 39 and Section 29 and Section 30 of the POcso Act, they gives the reasonable presumptions. What is the reasonable? The court shall presume, unless contrary is proved, the court shall presume that the so-called aggravated sexual penetration has been committed. Burden of proof lies on the accused person. We have discussed about the burden of proof also. Now, as far as the facts are concerned, the incident took place on May 28, 2022 in a pub called as Amnesia Club located in Jaya Chambers, Jubilee Hills in CBI colony. Of course, old people will know that it is a CBI colony. You may not be knowing. So, first of all, let us understand the meaning of amnesia. Amnesia means forget everything. Amnesia means forget everything. Don't erase all things. Man Telugulo anni marchipo. So if you go to amnesia, you will forget all these things. That means you will enjoy. Right? A school staffer of an international school, they contacted the Amnesia pub authorities and got fourth floor booked for about 152 students who are studying +1 and +2 in the same school. Of course, allegations are there that some VIP's son or Home Minister's grandson, they have arranged the so-called party. Of course, excise authorities cleared that it is not zero alcoholic or non-alcoholic party arranged in a pub. So people came there, they enjoyed from 1 to 5:30 p.m. in that connection. So out of these 5 accused, one person actually made acquaintance with a girl, stating that she was already known to him, told her some sweet words, and she followed them outside the pub, and she got into the bench car first, where they assaulted her. From there she was shifted to the Innova. They have taken her to a Kung Fu bakery. So many things happened. Ultimately, for 55 minutes, she was sexually assaulted. This is the story. Right? So, basing on the injuries, the father at first instances they were hesitant to report matter, but parents they decided to report the matter. They admitted in the hospital. No doubt the action has begun. It has become it has taken a political turn. Now, most 4 of the accused have been arrested, and of course 2 of them, I think 3 of them are minors. One person is a major. He was sent to remand. Other people will be sent to the juvenile homes. Right? So please remember, here the political issue is there that MLA's son is there. BJP MLA Mr. Raghunandan IT, he has displayed the video. Of course, actually one Subhan Vasi or somebody, he has actually made it viral, and a case under Section 67 of the Information Technology Act was booked against him, and he was arrested. Tomorrow, BJP Raghunandan IT action may also be taken against him also. Then, regarding the accused, 3 minors plus 2 youngsters. Now we have to discuss the actual legal points. The pub should not allow minors. People above the age of 18 only, 21 years males, they should be allowed. So first defect. Second, we don't know whether alcoholic beverages were served or not. They say that they were not served. Then, what about the CCTVs? When the boys were able to roam in the Innova and the Benz car for about 15 minutes, and ultimately they left her near the pub. Ultimately, they kept or secreted the vehicle in Hyderabad. And thousands of CCTVs will be there. The Telangana police, they boast of so many say, but what about how they are not able to find the vehicles? So they till this BJP MLA released the video, people did not know. Even the police could not know that the accused are escorting the minor girl, right? So the accused persons took her or trapped the victim, escorted her outside the pub, and under the guise of offering her a that is lift, they have assaulted her in the vehicle. So Innova, it was traced in Hyderabad. Of course, police are doing their job, no doubt, but a lot of political comments will be there. So in this connection, please remember, they wanted to add one more accused also. I think he may be the son of that MLA. He has already left for Dubai. People say, we don't know. As far as legality is concerned, Innova has become the crucial evidence because definitely certain Innova contained the ear studs of the victim, then hairs that is the disbanded hairs, then chappals of the so-called victim were also found in the Innova, and I think sperm was also found in the bench, they say. I am not sure, but these items were found as far as the paper news is concerned. So definitely, this is a technical evidence. Definitely it will be helpful in fixing the accused to the crime. And actually 152 people have booked the 4th floor, but I think 182 people they have attended. So definitely this becomes a serious issue. But I am sure that this incident, if the girl speaks as it is, definitely that will result in conviction. Let us see what will happen. Thank you.